Okay friends, now it's time to install our marker lamp assembly. Now the process for this will be the same on either side of the vehicle. It's going to be very easy overall, and we're going to start by removing this Phillips head screw. I'll use my Phillips head screwdriver for this. Now we can grab onto the corner marker lamp, and we're going to give this a little wiggle and try to pull it forward. There's going to be a couple tabs that press in. There we are. Now you can see one of the tabs right here and one right there. They just press straight into their little rubber grommets right along here. Now let's go ahead and disconnect this. I'm going to twist this right here and inspect the bulb. If it needs to be replaced, go ahead and replace it. Go ahead and set that aside. Okay friends, now it's time to get ready to install our corner marker assembly. Looking at the backside, you can see that you have your alignment pitons. Those are going to need to fit into their corresponding holes. For those holes, I generally apply a little bit of lubricant. It's just going to help this slide in a little bit easier. Now there's no adjustment for this, so you don't have to worry about that in particular. Now we're just going to take this and we're going to line it up, slide it in, and rotate it clockwise until it locks into position. Give that a wiggle to make sure it's completely secured in the assembly. Now let's line up those mounting points and slide it in. You want to pay attention right in this area here. The lamp assembly needs to fit underneath the body. You can see where the screw holes are, line them up, and get ready to put in your Phillips head screw. Let's take that mounting screw, we'll start it in there and snug it up. Make sure it's tight. Okay, so we've got it all back together. The last thing you want to do is go ahead and test its functionality. Thanks for watching.